here I was, fam. Entrance in first, like, nah, yeah. I'm supposed to be in there, but first, Shama Q&A, first, nah, nah. Like, we're 15 minutes, 20 minutes late, but first. It's not like issue, but I don't blame anyone, yeah, bro. It's our fault. Trip first, be shy, with trip first, alphabet, First, I anything was so what's in first, like, line was some first, like, Georgie or somehow. I was trying to call Sarah and person with friends of Amstel, first, like, I guess it's our fault to go to spell it. I'm a handler's arm, first, yeah, police, yeah. It is what it is. Next time, first, like, hit me up, any event, first, be in touch around Deben, first, Shama Q&A, first, from my artist, yeah. Yo, list yam be share some first, check list yam, 9 first list, This was supposed to be my list, first, Shama Q&A, and this was supposed to be my check today, first, So first, yeah, first, we lose some, we gain some. Peace, fam.
Okay. Nje wena uzoba mnani. Bo recorda ngayo, ukela recorda ngayo waposta vir. Ukela. Kana kuzona ngayo. Doki, uyenza vela ngesikhathi khona la. Shit. Yeah, the real one, eh? Ngiyabamba ukuthi kena you are in up YouTube. We're going fucking crazy.
Bigger picture. We're painting the bigger picture between this
and they will not see it coming. They will not see it coming.
And what's in the to recording? 3x in the video. Guys, see what I'm going to say. This call is done. But I'm just calling out 4. Hey, how they are big and the bits on the face like a sled and say that and the man. Like me, don't have some number agent. Abakhuluma ukuthi wena uphatha amathikithi. Batshela ukuthi anginamali. Bathi wakhuleka, uzahola. Ngabele ngathi ngiyakhipha. Abafethu subscribe lapha futhi yazi painting the bigger picture futhi.
Tell the people we're here.
Fethu, tell the people we are here fethu. Sifikile manje, isikhathi sethu fethu. Ecishe kanjalo ya.
Isikhathi sakho.
Ngithole layo.
The view, catch the vibe, dog. We're in fucking Durban, dog. Subscribe to the boys channel.
Hey, fethu. Mnandi fethu.
We're saying the wet and amazing girl, eh?
And
the whole you live, dog. When I walk, Pepela boy. When I walk, Kabang.
It's 2 hours.
Boy. The intro we don't have the intro.
The intro, it's not that intro,
yeah?
Not intro. It's in what the man get what up, fam? It's your boy, Minentle, also known as Minentle Frank, the man with the master plan. Got every mic, come on. We are here, what.
Yeah.
That's a good job. What the shit is? Yeah, but I think to the intro. I'm not intro. Yeah, I'm not intro.
They should give you the intro. They should skip the intro, but obviously, will come right. Okay, so what inspired the hair? The dog. Are you the babies now?
I'm not trying dogs.
So like,
you don't pass a ship in the face. We're in the family.
You are a chill boy, you are a calm and collected one.
the word of the day.
Issue. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. Come on, guys. What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? I talk like
Friends of Amstel, friends.
imagine starting this from like never because you'll get here.
My friends.
Issue.
Yeah.
Issue.
Life, friends.
It needs you to cry in the finale.
Vision, boy.
Easy. Subscribe to the boys channel here, boy. Subscribe.
So yeah, fam, what I did ngivele ngafonela ibandla lonke yabo. Ngivele ngalitshena ukuthi yazeni Makerela sinohambo mfethu. Ukulithatha losibeke endaweni ethize. Yabo. Ibandla liqoquzile mfethu sifele nje sonke savumelana ngento eyodwa. Yabo. Njengubone nemfethu 6 men lo mfethu. Yabo, bounded by blood. Sifele nisangacabanga nakaningi mfethu. Yabo, savele nje That's into my woman mfethu, so why not yabo? As I'm an opportunist mfethu, opportunize every opportunity we get yabo. So lana mfethu sibona opportunity ngempela. This one was a must yabo. Although na-ke yabo it's kind of ended yabo ngendlela ekade ihlukile kunalento esiyicabangile.
A few moments later.
Kwalikhuni kangaka kiwaphi kanti? Segment. How? Seniyaphunyuka njalo. Ikhishwa nengwenya kanje. Senikhipha nemfuyo. Ishuba busolo. Kwangathi uAlpha nje loyana. Kwangathi uAlpha nje loyana.
A few minutes later.
Issue omagazi.
Dodendop.
Away.
Dodendop.
Away.
Doda.
Mtsalameni.
Salabenze.
Oye
A few inches later.
So yeah, la fam, yeah, bese siyongena la egate because bese sibonisiwe na la egate la entrance artist yabo. Yeah, bese sonquma amadoda ke la kukubi.
12 seconds later.
So yeah, fam, yeah, this was a moment of peace yabo. Yeah, la bese shaya ithombe. Yeah, as a gang in your face, yeah, memories. Yeah, positive vibes, good energies, yabo. Nothing much in your face, but bese sesiyegate la. Abo currently waiting for my handlers ukuthi basitshele ukuthi simove kanjani. Hayi yabo lesikhona namhlanje yanyilekile. Khona abanye abantu la, amaGucci, amaPorsche welele.
Umuntu ngathi sendaweni wrong.
Hayi kodwa mfethu seningakhuluma nifike happy. Yabona kodwa la besize ngenye sathi Alpha, sathi Wax, sathi Redbird, sathi Lacosta. Hayi nayi khona wabanjani abesoqilaza la. Awubesoqilaza. So simile la mfethu shaya ama-pictures yabo, shaya iy'thombe nama-videos. Also fit like currently waiting for my handlers ukuthi asitshele ukuthi simove kanjani yabo, because yabo besarelaxile la, but silate yabo, silate kodwa phela mfethu 15 minutes 20 minutes late yabo siyitshena ukuthi into enkulu nje.
3 days later.
Savele sathola ukuthi nale entrance esime kuyona i-entrance 1 sinakumele siyeka entrance 3 ngale. Nawo mase siyadlula mfethu umcimbi usuqalile mfethu. Hey kubi. Yeah, as you can see now guys, positive vibes, good energies. Yeah, good yabo. Here we're struggling to get in my first critical situation we were facing la ihandla lethu besingalithola, so Mufasa was inside old bag.
3 weeks later.
Njengamanje silana nenkabi yami abelungu bafuna ukuvula kade sifikile lana abafuni ukuthi singene boy. Dayab. Kulkhuni bethu. Belungu bathi umthetho awuvumi.
Many months later.
Rainfall in Durban. Bukani ukudla ngikudla because of the ANC. The ANC is getting on my last nerve. Ngayidla wena into kanje. Lokudla lokhu kumele ngikudle ngedwa ngiqede. Yini ngale? Fried chicken neyababa. Kunabantu abadla amasushi, kunabantu abadla amalazanya. Buka ma cornflakes. Mina ngidla ama cornflakes ekseni. Yes, kunabantu abadla top cereal. Cyril Ramaphosa, you will step down. I'm gonna make your life a living hell when I Cyril Ramaphosa. Ungilisa amasimba. ANC ingilisa amasimba. Na defender go TikTok and shit lapho go TikTok ngikhuluma amasimba.
Yeah, fam, like, it is what it is. It is what it is, ngempela, like, cause mina ngazi. So here, yeah, you can like kind of like waste my trip out of 10, yabo. Yeah, see you in the comment section.
Thousand years later.
Chat, ayikho into esingayenzanga esingayizamanga ukuthi singene ngaphakathi igasilo sethu. Abanga performa mfethu star vocalistic perform vocalistic mfethu sokula ngakhona bese bridge fuck shit fuck star mfethu aba ngicela mfethu shama isapho mfethu quality kanjani mfethu engizokhukha but fethu chats yabo. I'm still trying to make some means fethu ukuthi yabo get in touch nalama big artists fethu yabo ngishawe isikhathi yabo leso fethu kanjalo. So yeah, chats fethu if you are new fethu to my community, I guess yeah, when this cat is critical situation I'm facing and I'm going school, yo, Melangana is love, VIP,